In my previous tutorial on how to build OpenCV with CUDA GPU acceleration on Windows, I got a lot of comments like how to build OpenCV with CUDA for virtual environment and everything builds without any error, but at import, Python throws module not found error for latest versions of OpenCV. In this updated video, we will build OpenCV version 4.5.1 with GPU support, and we are also going to address all these issues. If you are someone who likes to see more of such content, subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss the future videos. This video is split into 3 partitions. First, we are going to set up prerequisites. Then we will build OpenCV with CUDA support in the base Python environment. And finally, we will see how to build OpenCV for a virtual environment. Note that the virtual environment can have different version of Python than the base environment. Let's get started with the installation of prerequisites. First thing that you need is Python distribution installed. You can install native Python if you like, but I prefer Anaconda. You can download it from the official website and install with default options. Now download and install Visual Studio 2019. I am using version 16.7.5. Enable C++ desktop development environment during installation. Now download CUDA for Windows. I recommend not to download the latest version and go to CUDA archive and download version 11.0. Once downloading is finished, install it with default options. Now download CUDNN version 8.0.5 for CUDA 11. Once downloading is finished, extract the zip file and copy all the contents of this extracted folder and go to C drive, program files, NVIDIA GPU Computing Toolkit, CUDA version 11.0 and paste everything here. Replace the files when prompted. Finally, download CMake GUI and install it with default options. I am using version 3.19.3. Now I am going to create a directory called OpenCV_build in C drive of my computer, and I will download OpenCV source in this directory. Head over to the official OpenCV website and download source file for OpenCV version 4.5.1. And then download OpenCV 4.5.1 contrib from this link. The versions of OpenCV and OpenCV contrib should be the same. I'm going to place it inside OpenCV_build folder as well. Now extract both files. We are ready to do some configurations which will be a little bit different than our previous tutorial. So let's open CMake GUI, browse for OpenCV source folder, click open, then browse for build folder. I'm going to create an empty folder called build, hit select folder, click on this grouped checkbox. Now hit configure and select Visual Studio 2019 as generator and x64 as platform. It will take a few moments to complete. Now search for Python here. This build is for base environment of Anaconda. How do I know that? Well, look at this block. All the paths to Python point to the files and folders in the base environment. There is one other thing in the console here which you need to confirm. If we scroll down to OpenCV module section, we can see that OpenCV build is unavailable for Python 3. If you proceed with the rest of the procedure, you will be able to build and install OpenCV with GPU support. However, its Python bindings will not be available, which means you will encounter the infamous module not found error when you try to import OpenCV. This is caused due to mismatch of NumPy versions. We can fix it by updating NumPy. First of all, delete the CMake cache. Now I am going to open Anaconda prompt and upgrade NumPy to version 1.19.5. When that's done, come back to CMake GUI and hit configure again. This time you will see this additional block of information which shows that Python 3 bindings will be built for the base environment with your Python version. In my case, it will be built for Python 3.8, and if we scroll above in OpenCV modules, we can see that now OpenCV will be built for Python 3 as well. If you have got similar output here, then we are good to move forward. Now let's start the configurations. Tick enable CUDA checkbox, enable build OpenCV DNN, enable OpenCV DNN CUDA, tick enable fast math, enable build OpenCV world. Make sure build OpenCV Python 3 is enabled. Now go to OpenCV extra modules options and click on browse button and point it to modules directory inside the OpenCV contrib folder. Hit configure once more. It should be able to detect CUDA version 11 and CUDNN version 8.0.5. Once the configuration is finished, tick CUDA_fast_math. Then search for CUDA arc bin property. Now there are a bunch of architectures and you will have to select the right one for your GPU. But how to find the right architecture? It's pretty straightforward. Go to CUDA page of Wikipedia and search for your GPU model. I have NVIDIA GTX 1060, so I'm going to search that, and we can see that it supports compute architecture 6.1. So that's what I have to select. Suppose you have 2080 Ti, you will have to select architecture 7.5. I'm going to remove all other architectures except 6.1, which is for GTX 1060. Now search for cmake install prefix, and I'm going to select a different directory to install than default one. Hit configure one last time. We confirm once again that this build would be installed in the base environment of Anaconda Python 3.8. And we also confirm that Python 3_numpy include directory is also picked up. We hit generate, and once it is finished, close cmake GUI. Now open command prompt and execute this command. I'm going to put it in the description below. Hit enter and wait for it to finish. It will take a while, so you can relax or go get a coffee in the meantime. Okay, once this process is finished without any errors, go to your build folder, then lib, python 3 and release. Make sure that this Python binding file exists here. The same file should also exist in your base environment, lib, site packages, cv2 and Python 3.8 folder. If it does, everything worked just fine, and if we open Python terminal, we will be able to import OpenCV. You can use this build in Darknet YOLO v4, or you can use CUDA DNN module to run pre-trained YOLO v4 using OpenCV GPU acceleration. Now, how to build for a virtual environment? Let's create a virtual environment called OpenCV_GPU, and I'm going to create it with Python 3.8. You can use any other version of Python as well. And if we activate this environment and import OpenCV, we can see that it is not installed here. Let's open cmake GUI again and search for Python 3. In this block, we will need to change all of these paths to our virtual environment. We see that there are two more folders that are added to the path. It's env and then virtual environment name. I'm going to just copy it and paste it in all other paths so that these now point to virtual environment instead of base environment. By the way, we did not install NumPy in virtual environment, so we should do that before moving forward. Now if we hit build, we will see that the Python bindings path is changed to our virtual environment. Now we need to repeat the whole process of configurations and building and installing. You do not need to make a separate folder for build and install, by the way, and you can just point to the same folders that you used while building OpenCV for the base environment. Once the installation is finished, you will be able to import OpenCV in virtual environment also. I have shared a script in the description which will help you to verify OpenCV GPU acceleration. And finally, for cleanup, you can remove all the files and folders of build directory except this lib folder. And you can also remove the source files that you have downloaded. If you think you have learned something of value today, like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next one.